Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The electoral bond scheme has been a topic of intense debate in India, with proponents arguing that it promotes transparency and accountability in political funding, while critics claim that it undermines the democratic process. The scheme, introduced in 2018, allows donors to purchase bonds from authorized banks and donate them to political parties, promoting anonymity and reducing the influence of black money in politics. One of the primary concerns surrounding electoral bonds is the potential for undue influence and corruption. While the bonds provide some level of transparency, the anonymity feature has raised concerns about the ability of large corporations or individuals to exert influence over political parties. This could potentially lead to policies being shaped by special interests rather than the needs of the general public. The impact of electoral bonds on Indian democracy is complex and multifaceted. The scheme's anonymity provision may reduce accountability, making it challenging to track the source of funds. This lack of transparency could lead to increased corporate influence in politics. This lack of transparency could lead to increased corporate influence in politics, potentially undermining the democratic process. Smaller parties may also struggle to access funding, limiting their ability to participate in the electoral process. The future of Indian democracy will depend on how effectively the electoral bond scheme is implemented and regulated. If done correctly, it could promote transparency and accountability. However, if the scheme is exploited for undue influence or corporate gain, it could undermine the very foundations of Indian democracy. Ensuring the integrity and fairness of the electoral process is crucial, and ongoing scrutiny is necessary to determine whether the scheme achieves its intended goals. As the debate surrounding electoral bonds continues, it is essential to consider the potential consequences of the scheme. The impact on transparency, accountability, and the influence of money in politics will likely have far reaching implications for Indian democracy. Ultimately, the success of the electoral bond scheme will depend on its ability to promote fair and transparent elections, while also ensuring that the democratic process is not compromised by special interests or undue influence. The key features of electoral bond are anonymity, transparency, and accountability. The benefits of electoral bonds are reducing black money, increased transparency, and level playing field. There are criticisms and concerns about electoral bonds, such as loss of transparency, influence of big money, and impact on smaller parties. There are many advantages of electoral bond, such as all electoral bonds issued are to be redeemed by a bank account that the Election Commission of India has disclosed, hence the malpractice is strengthened. The widespread use of electoral bonds can help to hold back political parties who operate with the goal of simply collecting funds from the public. It is because only registered parties attaining at least 1% of the votes in the general election can receive electoral funding. The electoral bonds work with the government goal to make elections funding entirely safe and digitized. Therefore, any donation going above rupees 2000 is not legal required to be in the form of electoral bonds and checks. All transactions of electoral bonds are carried out via checks or digitally. There are some disadvantages of electoral bonds, like some critics say that electoral bonds have been brought into operation with the primary purpose of choking the funding available to opposition parties. The electoral bonds do not threaten financially stable companies in any way. The goal of these companies is to fund one political party over another. This is further promoted by limit of donating 7.5% of the company's annualized profits towards a political party being abolished. The impact of electoral bonds on Indian democracy are: the electoral bond scheme has sparked intense debate and discussion in India. Proponents argue that it promotes transparency and accountability, while critics claim that it undermines the democratic process. The impact of electoral bonds on Indian democracy remains to be seen, but it is clear that the scheme has significant implications for the country's political landscape. The conclusion of electoral bonds is: electoral bonds are a complex and contentious issue, with both proponents and critics presenting valid arguments. As the scheme continues to evolve, it is essential to monitor its impact and ensure that it promotes